The Kitchentoolz Kombucha Kit with heat mat is a fantastic starting point. It's like a tiny magic factory. You can brew your own kombucha. This kit makes it simple. It includes everything you need. There's a SCOBY, a jar, and ingredients. Plus, it has pH test strips. These strips are very helpful. They ensure your brew is just right. You also get a helpful heating mat. This mat is a game changer. It keeps your brew warm. This speeds up fermentation. Therefore, you get delicious kombucha faster. So, for new brewers, this Kitchentoolz Kombucha Kit with heat mat is ideal. Furthermore, setting up is a breeze. The instructions are clear. Even an 8th grader can follow them. The included SCOBY is healthy. It's the heart of your brew. The jar is also the perfect size. It allows for good air circulation. Consequently, your kombucha thrives. The fermenting ingredients are pre-measured. This takes out the guesswork. Moreover, the heating mat is a real bonus. It provides consistent warmth. This is crucial for SCOBY activity. Ultimately, it helps prevent issues. Therefore, your success rate increases significantly. This Kitchentoolz Kombucha Kit with heat mat truly simplifies the process. Finally, after a few days, your kombucha is ready. You'll taste the difference. It's fresh and tangy. Moreover, it's packed with probiotics. You control the sweetness. You control the flavor. This kit empowers you. It's like having a little science experiment, but a delicious one. Also, it saves you money. Buying kombucha can be expensive. In conclusion, this Kitchentoolz Kombucha Kit with heat mat is a great investment. It's fun, easy, and rewarding. You'll be brewing like a pro. Pros: nice starter kit for newbie, made brewing relatively easy, came with everything to start. Heat wrap is perfect. First brew went perfectly. Ended up with 2 new SCOBYs, perfect tasting booch. Continuously brewing long-term, SCOBY was in date. Jar is usable, thermometer strip is usable. Good starter, works on a budget. Cons: pH strip directions are missing. No instructions included. Wrong instructions for kit. Sugar not included. Heat wrap has no instructions. Heat wrap has no controls. Poor customer support. AI bot. Thin, poor quality fabric. Small SCOBY. 2 inches. Low quality rubber band features. Deluxe kit for kombucha brewing. Includes a heating mat. Comes with SCOBY, fermenting jar. Included. pH test strips provided. All fermenting ingredients. Easy to start brewing. Comprehensive starter set for homemade kombucha. Complete brewing system. The Kitchentoolz Deluxe Kombucha Starter Kit has everything you need to make your own kombucha at home. It comes with a SCOBY, a fermenting jar, and all the ingredients you'll need. Plus, it includes a heating mat to keep your brew at the right temperature and pH test strips to check its acidity. This kit makes it easy for anyone to start brewing kombucha right away. The Kitchentoolz Kombucha Starter Kit is a good option for beginners, making brewing easy with almost everything included to get started on a budget. It comes with a healthy SCOBY, a usable jar, and a helpful heat mat that works well, leading to perfect tasting kombucha and new SCOBYs. However, the kit lacks clear instructions for several items, including the pH strips and the heat wrap, which also doesn't have controls. Some minor drawbacks include the absence of sugar, poor customer support, and a small SCOBY with a low-quality rubber band.